dear God, I pray for the things which you have given us. I pray you protect us. I pray when we are learning, when you make us we understand what we are learning. I pray for the students and the teacher. I pray. So thank you for protecting us to start in the morning up to now. That's his name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Thank you very much, my little girl, Chloe. Let me have everybody muting him or herself because they don't have a very big class, so there's no reason for me to even mute you. Just all of us mute ourselves. If I give a chance, you just unmute yourself. Simple, because you're not very many in class. Are you together? Yes. In our today's class, we are going to have a look at mathematics, but most especially, I'm going to talk to P1. Okay, if is there anybody who is not in P1 but is joining us now, it is okay. It is very, very okay. As we begin our today's lesson, I would like to encourage you, or I would like to tell you that very soon we shall be having exams. We shall be having exams very soon. But as we have these exams, we have to revise. From previous work, from where we started from up to now. Okay, so take care. The timetable is going to come out very soon, and we shall be in position to see which subject are we beginning first and which one. Remember, this time we are going to offer you with report cards. I saw the people putting up their hands. I don't know what they want to tell me. Nantale, Matos, tell me. Nantale, I have something to say.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me. I see your hand is up.
I was telling you tomorrow's my birthday.
Oh, tomorrow is your birthday. So are you inviting me or the class for the cake? You are just telling me and we just stop there.
I'm inviting you.
Oh, I'm going to come. You must come tomorrow.
Yes.
The party is at home.
Yes.
I'm coming.
Outside, I don't know.
Oh, outside, oh, you don't know. Okay, I'm coming. I must come on that party. Who else can you invite here? Is it who? I have very many people here. Whom do you invite?
We can invite Chloe.
Yeah, we can invite.
We can invite Nantel.
Nantale.
We can invite Ethan. We can
Ethan.
invite Sanita.
Shanita.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. They have heard and I'm sure they're going to come. Just prepare our cakes and sweets available. We shall eat them.
Okay. And I'm also inviting Gideon.
Onyango Gideon.
That's all.
Okay. The invited ones, Shanita, Gideon, Ethan, Chloe, and who was that? Nantali Gabriela. So you invited for Christian's birthday tomorrow, which is not sure whether it's going to take place at home or is going to take place outside home or at home. We're invited. Even me, I'm invited. I'm going to come. Let me stop eating today so that tomorrow I will be very hungry and I enjoy the party. Thank you, Christian. I have another person who's putting up the hand, Nantale. Nantale.
Yeah.
Gabriela,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm fine, teacher.
I see your hand is up. What do you want to tell me?
I want to tell you, when is the exam starting?
When is the exam starting? Even me, I want to tell you. Nantale.
Yes.
Even me, I want to tell you that exams are going to start possibly this week 5. Okay, they are starting next week, but 1.
Yes.
Is that English? Is that English clear with you?
Teacher.
Yep.
Yesterday it was my birthday.
Yesterday it was your birthday.
Birthday.
And you ate the cake alone?
No.
Hey.
Is that still there?
The cake is still there. So you want to tell me that you are going to send me, or I come for it?
Come for it.
I come for it. Why don't you send it to me? Nantar.
Yes.
Why don't you send me my cake? Where are you?
I'm at Kasengeje.
Kasengeje in Wakiso. Is that so?
Yes.
Get a safe board and you put my cake there. It will deliver it here. I'm here in Kampala, not very far from where you are.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for my cake. Gabi?
Yes.
I'm waiting for my cake from Kasengeje to where I am. Okay. Matos, you haven't told us where you come from. Where are you, Christian?
I'm in Kampala.
Which part of Kampala?
Mom, which part of Kampala we are? We're in Namambe. 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 Yes.
That's Ginger Road, eh? Is that Ginger Road? Christian?
Let's see if that's Ginger Road. Yes, Ginger Road. That's Ginger Road, yes. Yeah, Coca-Cola. And Toyota.
If you see, even I know you better than you know your place now. Even I know your place there. Okay. Okay. So the invited ones, you have known where to go near Manamamve. That's where Christian is. And that's where the party is going to take place. Thank you. Let's start our lesson. That was just a warm-up as we begin our lesson. If there is any other one to say something to me, raise up your hand and I will pick you there. But if it's not there, let's go direct to our lesson. Okay, so Nantale, you had the party yesterday and you didn't invite us. Now, Nantale, you're bad. Okay, but sorry, I know I didn't teach P.1 yesterday. Maybe you wanted to tell me, but you didn't. But you would have posted in our WhatsApp group for P.1. You say, today is my birthday. I would like you to say happy birthday. Then it was going to be very, very fine. Let me do this here. Let's go direct at what you're supposed to study today, and I see what's next. Okay. Okay. When I go to today's lesson, I would like to tell you that We are making first a review of what we learned last time. Then after making a review, then we shall see our next lesson, that's of today. In the last lesson, we are telling time, and on telling time, we agreed that when we are telling time, we have the minute hand and the hour hand. So when those two hands are on the clock, you should tell that the one which is short is a minute hand. Sorry, the one which is short is an hour hand, and the one which is longer, it is the minute hand. But when you look at the clocks or the wall clocks that you have at your home, there is even the smallest one. There are 3 there. That one is counting seconds, and we don't mind so much about seconds now by P1. If I can have someone putting up the hand, you can help me tell me the time I'm going to show on the clock. Let me begin with Tumwesigye. Tumwesigye.
Yes, teacher.
Tumwesigye Alvin, how are you?
I am fine, teacher.
Okay, tell me the time on the clock.
It is 4 o'clock.
It is 4 o'clock. Thank you. Thank you, Tumwesigye Alvin. Let me pick if there is another person who will tell me the time. So say it's 4 o'clock. Let's go on next. I have example 2. Tell the time on the clock, and it is here. So please, who is here to put up the hand? Put up the hand, please, if you can tell the time displayed on your screen. Okay, let me give a chance to John Marvin. John Marvin, tell me the time displayed on your screen. Okay, tell the time, John Marvin.
It is 9 o'clock.
Good. It is 9 o'clock, as you can see it there on your screen. It's 9 o'clock. So yeah, that's what we learned lastly in the last lesson. I see very many people raising up their hands, but let's go to our second lesson, or what we are supposed to look at too. Okay, now let's go on and we look at what you're going to look at today. Today being a Thursday, 2nd of December 2021. And in today's lesson, we are going to have a look at addition, or we are going to add time. Okay, addition of time, but when it is in hours. Okay, in my first example, I have 5 hours plus 4 hours, and what I will have here is simple. Where is my plus sign here? Maybe someone has stolen it. Let me first insert it there. You know it's there, but it's going to come last, but let me just put it there. Okay, so I have it like that. So I have 5 hours plus 4 hours. Since we're in P1, we have to move on and put our counters. How many counters? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then this side I have 4. I have to draw my 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then what's next? I'm going to count all of them together. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the answer is 9 hours. And the answer is 9 hours. Okay, that's what we are looking at today. We are adding time in hours. Okay, I see very many hands up. The next example, is there, and the next example is here, and I'm going to request if there is any other person here who is able to share the screen, you raise up your hand, and after raising up your hand, I will give you my example, and you work out it from there. So you raise up your hand when you are willing to do my example number 2. Okay, my example number 2 is there, and it is 3 hours plus it is 3 hours plus 4 hours. Okay, let me first give a chance to Flo. Okay, let me give it to Marvin. Alvin, go
Yes,
on and
teacher.
go on and share your screen, and you work out that example for us and tell us the answer. Thank you.
Yes, teacher.
Mr. Dennis, I know he's on the call, so okay, he's not there. Let me give you the rights right now. Okay, let me give you the rights. Okay, it's on this phone where it's on another phone where I can give you the rights. Oh, okay, why is Alvin? Okay, Alvin, you have the right to share your screen now. You can go on.
Yes, teacher. Yes, 3 hours. 3 hours plus 4 hours. We draw 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Then we draw 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 7 hours.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, my boy, for that answer. Let me mute yourself, my boy. Let's have another one here. And let me first share my screen. Okay, and we work out that one together. It was example 2, 3 hours plus 4 hours. We draw our 3 counters. Then here we draw our 4 counters. We add them together and they give us 7 hours. That's what Mwesigye was writing out. Now I have 2 hours plus. I have 2 hours plus 5 hours. Is there anybody who can write it that one for me there? Okay. Okay. I have here my example 3, and it is like that. I don't know whether members you are in touch with me. I don't know whether you are seeing my screen. Okay. Yeah. Now let me give a chance to Let me give a chance to Shanita. Okay. Shanita.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Do you know how to share your screen?
Yes.
Okay, share your screen now and you work out that one for us.
Two hours
Yes, go on.
plus 3
Yes.
hours.
Yes.
One, two,
Hmm.
3, 4, and 5.
Okay. So what is our answer?
Equals 5 hours.
Okay. Thank you. Equals 2 hours. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you very much, my dear Shanita. Thank you. Let me see if I have, let me also share my screen. I'm happy that we have mastered this content very quickly. And we are saying we first draw our 2 counters. Then here we draw our 3 counters. Then we add them together and the answer is 5 hours. So let's move on. Do we have the 4th one? Yes, I have the 4th one. It is there. It's there. It is 6 hours plus. It is 6 hours plus 3 hours. It's there. Now, okay, let me give a chance to Marvin. Where's Marvin? Marvin, put up your hand. I want to give the chance to Marvin. Is John Marvin, okay? John Marvin, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Do you know how to share your screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now you go on and share your screen and you work out that example for us. John,
Yes, teacher.
can you start working? John Marvin. John. Ethan.
Yes.
Okay, do you now share your screen?
Yes.
Okay, let me make you a co-host. You share your screen and we move on. Mama and Amata, go to the next office. Okay. Ethan. Ethan.
Yes.
Are you seeing the example on your screen?
Yes.
Okay, do that.
Ow. Đây. Đó. Bỏ.
Ethan,
Yes. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
okay. Ethan, you are taking my time. Okay, it's okay. Leave it like that. Please talk, please talk. Don't just write and stop there. Tell us what you are writing and stop rubbing the work. You're writing as you're rubbing, you're writing, so you're taking my time.
One,
Mm-hmm.
two,
Mm-hmm.
three,
Mm.
4,
Mm.
5,
Mm.
6,
Mm.
last 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Thank you, Ethan. Even if you stop there, it's okay. I've seen that your answer was 9. So you can mute yourself and we go on. Okay, John is saying me teacher, Kitiba Chloe is saying good morning, teacher, good morning, Chloe. So we have our 6 here, and this 6 we are going to add 3 there, and our answer will be 9. So that's the answer that we have. Okay. Let's go to our second, or our example number 5, and we are going to do what we call vertical addition. With vertical addition, it doesn't change a little bit. It remains the same. So we have 5 and 6. And when we have 5 and 6, we're going to add them together since we're adding time in hours. And we shall go on and we draw our counters, 5 of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and my answer is 11 hours. Okay, in total, when I join 1, when I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let me give a chance to the next quick example. And that next example is going to Richie. Richie, unmute yourself. Richie.
Yes, teacher.
Can you speak up, please? Speak louder.
Yes, teacher.
Good. You know how to share your screen?
Yes.
Okay, the example is there on your screen, so you just share and work it out. I've given the right to share the screen. As you're writing on the screen, please mind of the space that you have. Make sure it will be enough for you. Okay, Richie, just add, even if you don't write that word hours, just write 6 plus 7 vertically and we move on.
Okay.
Okay, because even the word hours, you have written a wrong statement. Now,
1,
and I don't have this term.
3, 4,
Okay, let it be.
5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12.
Richie,
Yes.
add again, please.
Okay.
Add as you are crossing, add as you cross them. Don't remove the counters. I wanted you to add again. Just draw other counters for 7. Don't cross. Eh?
Okay.
Draw
1,
counters for 7. Yeah.
3, 4,
Mm.
5,
Mm.
6,
Mm. Mm.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So what's the answer? Is the answer 12 or 13?
13.
So I go with 13 or I go with 12? You got at first.
13.
Okay. Thank you. The answer is 13 or 12, as you had said earlier. Thank you very much. Let me see the person I will pick here. Let me see the person I'm going to pick here. So we draw our 6 counters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our answer is 13. Okay, that's what we have now. Let me give a chance to another person here, and that is Chloe. Chloe, unmute yourself and Chloe.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you have here your example is there. Your example is there. Your example is there.
Yes, teacher.
And there you are. Share the screen and you work out that one.
Okay. Teacher. Teacher. 4 hours. 4 hours plus 8 hours. Equals
I think we have. I think we have lost Chloe. Let's give a chance to who? Let me give a chance to who? Let me give a chance to Alvin. Yes, Alvin.
yes, teacher.
Okay, there we go. It's there. Let me see if you have
Okay,
the
teacher.
rights. Let me see if you have the rights. Okay, you have the rights now. You can go on.
Okay, teacher. Yes, teacher. It was 4 hours. 4 hours plus 8 hours. Balls 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I draw 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the answer is 12 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You are welcome, teacher.
Miss Gwa. Yes, thank you very much,
You are
Miss Gwa
welcome.
Alvin, for that. Let's go on and we see who is next. Okay, the good thing, you know how to mute yourself, and I've said that's what we wanted to do. So I'm going to draw here my 4 counters. I draw 8 here. Okay, those are 8. Then I add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer here will automatically be 12. Okay. Let me see if I have another example. Let me see if I have another example for whom I haven't picked. For Ayla. Okay, let me hear from Ayla. Ayla,
Yes, teacher.
you now share screen.
Yes.
Okay, go on and share your screen
Teacher,
and the
first
example.
wait.
Sorry?
Teacher,
Yes,
first wait.
I first wait.
Yes.
What are you doing that I should wait?
He's coming.
And who is this one?
Me, Abid.
You Abidi, let me give a chance to another one. I want to see those ones who are putting up their hands. Okay, let me mute you and let me take my rights away from you. I've picked already Shanita, I've picked Chloe who went off. Okay, let me give a chance to Elmax. Elmax, unmute yourself and talk to me.
Yes, teacher.
Do you now share your screen?
Yes.
Okay. Do so. Please do share your screen and you work out that number there. Hurry up. We are only 5 minutes to the end of the lesson.
The symptoms of continent. Paragraph. Begin any paragraph. The symptoms of COVID-19. Symptoms of COVID-19. The symptoms of irritating cough. Is it irritating cough or dry cough? Irritating and dry cough. Okay, I've taken on irritating and dry cough. Yes, the second one. Running nose. Running nose. Which is true. Which is true. Headache. Yes. Lots of appetite. Loss. Yes. High temperature. High temperature. Who else is doing? Okay, somebody else, can you help Hashim to complete this paragraph? He has given us the symptoms of COVID include irritating and dry cough, running nose.
Okay. Thank you very much, Elmax, for this and for everybody for participating in our today's lesson. I'm really grateful that we have gotten what I was teaching, and I'm happy that my boy was doing a different number when we had a different number on the board, but it's okay. We had 3 hours. Then I'm going to draw the 5 counters here. And when you add all of them together, these are 4. The 5th one, you add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8 hours. I'm happy Elmax did it, but was doing a totally different number. I gave the chance to Ira, but Ira was not there. And Abidi. I think I picked Ethan. Ethan, I gave you the rights. I see. Oh, there's another Ethan. Okay. Sorry. There's another Ethan. Ethan, I've given the rights. Can you unmute yourself, Ethan? Ethan, code 07. Unmute yourself. Ethan.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to, Ethan.
Yes.
I'm going to give you your example and you are going to write it there. Are we together? Okay. Ethan, your example is here. Your example is here. It is 3 hours plus 7 hours. Ethan, are you seeing it?
Yes.
Okay. You share your screen and you work out that and you give me the answer. Ethan,
Sharing.
do you now share your screen?
Yes.
Don't share the screen. Share your whiteboard. We share the whiteboard, not the screen, yeah?
Okay.
Stop the sharing. No. Ethan. Ethan. Can you click in the button of share? Okay, good. Now you can go on and do the working from there.
You did 5, 6, 7 are the two distance, and then you did define them. But here, same cell 5, 6, 7. You should have defined them. 22985, then you define carrier 1. You did.
Okay. I think Ethan was saying meet teacher, then I've given you the rights, but again, you can't do the number. Let's have a closing prayer from someone called Shanita as we end our lesson. So Shanita, unmute yourself and you give us the closing prayer. Thank you. Shanita?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, pray for us.
Oh Lord, I thank you for this day. I thank you. Bless our teacher. Bless our parents. Oh Lord, I pray that you pass the to understand what the teacher told us. Oh Lord, I pray that you bless our parents. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Thank Shanita. I would like to say all of you bye-bye. We meet next week. As,
Bye.
as,
Bye, teacher.
uh,
Bye. 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 Bye.